Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to fix the live option not showing on TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok app. Now go into your profile. Click on Menu on the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Click on Live. And then click on How to Start a Live. Now click on No, and then click on Need More Help. Write what I've written here and click on Submit. Now your problem should be solved. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.